Welcome back to Sara Fictions virtual store tour. In this edition, we will be showcasing a marble Urli corner. So let's go. Urlis are one of those home decor pieces that are very versatile. You could fill them up with water, leave some fresh petals in them, or float some candles in them. You could use them as a statement piece on your dining table or your center table with fruits and sweets in it. You could use them in the festival time during Diwalis to serve sweets and dry fruits. I will be taking you across all the Urli designs that we have, but starting with the most beloved patterns and designs that we have in marble Urlis. Starting with the wave Urli, precisely crafted in a way to exactly represent the waves and the formation of an untamed ocean. Second up, the Kaju Urli. All of us in India loves Kaju. We got inspired by the shape and feel of it and crafted this beautiful marble Urli inspired by Kajus. We have seen the small Urlis and the medium Urlis. Now let's increase the size little by little. Starting with the sunflower Urli. This 9-inch beautiful Urli is perfect for your door entrances or statement pieces for your dining table and your center table. You could fill this beautiful piece with water and fresh rose petals. It would truly elevate your lifestyle and your humble abode. Next up, the turtle Urli. This beautifully handcrafted piece in natural marble is a great way of adding nature to your place. This could be a statement piece on your center table or dining table. Easily adding some diyas and candies in it would elevate your space. Urlis are truly a great way to elevate your household. These small pieces of intricate design, craftsmanship, and natural marble would truly elevate the household. You could place them anywhere and everywhere, either filled with treats, sweet dishes, dry fruits, or water with rose petals and floating candles. Urlis by Sara Fiction would truly upgrade and elevate your household with luxury and nature. We at Sara Fictions truly know that you love to elevate your household, whether it's Diwali or every single day of the year. You could elevate your humble abode with our exclusive collection of marble Urlis. Sara Fiction, luxury chiseled to perfection.